When you install the SubTrainer software tool onto your PC, you will be presented with this icon. Click on the icon to open the program. You will then be prompted to choose a communications port. Click OK and this will open the SubTrainer work screen. On the bottom left corner of the work screen you will see a green progress bar. This indicates the system is automatically saving its current settings. These settings will be automatically restored at the end of the session. Once the settings have been saved, you can commence your planned training period. To change the settings on the SubTrainer work screen, click on the required setting. This will bring up a dialog box which allows you to either adjust the setting either by increments or a configured rate of change. By clicking on the required increment, this will raise or lower the display value. There is a short time delay as the value is transmitted to the SubTrainer. You can change all the values on the unit using this method with the exception of the elapsed time and battery life indicator. If you choose to configure the settings, this allows you to set a value and set a time span over which you wish the change to take place. This allows the trainer to set a realistic environmental change. Here we see the O2 level has been changed to 17.5%, with the change taking place over 30 seconds. The arrow on the right of the screen indicated the downward direction of change. As you can see here, the information has been transmitted to the SubTrainer and the change has taken place. The values for other readings can be changed while the system communicates changes to the SubTrainer, making for a more realistic scenario in training. Here you can see the CO2 setting being changed upwards. You can see the values rise. This is indicated by the arrow on the right of the window. Once again, the data is transmitted to the SubTrainer for the students to react to. You must remember when you are altering the depth and pressure values, you must change the partial pressure readings for the O2 and CO2. You will be prompted to do this by the SubTrainer. The system will also prompt you to remember to ensure that the values you input into the system are within the range expected by the sensor. Finally, you can see here that the values for the temperature can be adjusted in the same way as other readings. At the end of the training session, as we mentioned at the beginning of this video, the system will restore the original saved setting from the PC back to the sub trainer. This is done when you close down the program. It is important that you do not disconnect the unit without allowing the settings to be restored. You must allow the system to restore the settings before disconnecting the sub trainer from the PC. This will be indicated by the progress bar again in the bottom left corner of the screen. It is important to remember the sub trainer is not an operational unit. It is easy to distinguish this from an operational Analox Sub MkIIP by its black case and yellow labelling, and should under no circumstances be used in an operational situation.